dreamed of and more. I love this unit. If you want to know more about this unit, keep watching. Today I'm coming in with another wig analysis on this gorgeous hair right here. Before we get started, let me just say happy Monday to everyone. Hope you're having a beautiful and blessed day. And if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below because what? This channel is popping, so let's get it popping. So today's review is a new one that just recently dropped from the Perfect Hairline, and this is Julianne 24. So before we get started, I do want to say that for the month of December, for the rest of the month of December, I will be coming in periodically to do a few reviews, but in the month of January I do have some things going on that will keep me away for maybe a couple of weeks, but I am back. I couldn't stay away. I had to get this unit. I really do love it. So let's talk about it because I have a lot of good things to say, ladies. So this comes from Outre. This is part of the Perfect Hairline. This is again Julianne 24, and I have it in the lovely color of DR Ginger Brown. So this is the wig on the model, and I absolutely love it. It's very pretty on her. I love this 1B, and also I think this is a honey brown. But yes, ladies, this is gorgeous. I do want to again try it in all the different colors. So let's get started. Okay, so as you see the wig, basically this is how it comes with all these vivacious curls and layers. So you get your medium layer, actually your smallest layer, you get your medium layer and your longest layer. The cap is big hair friendly. I think it's very spacious, and maybe that's because I have a smaller head, but it does have a lot of room to it, so just be mindful that it does stretch. So yes, as far as the parting space, you are getting a 13 by 6, so 13 across and 6 back. Here's that parting space right here. Now I did add some powder to that. The lace is a soft, transparent lace, so it does come a bit ashy, not too ashy. Now, they did improve the lace because the lace was a little ashier and white, but it's a little tinted brown, so I think that they improved in that area. Now, it does come with baby hairs. Here are the baby hairs that I designed up to my liking. You don't have to utilize those baby hairs if you don't want to, but I did. I just like the way it looks. As far as this texture, it's a nice light yucky texture. It's very soft, and it's not itchy at all. I just love it. Now I'm not gonna brush mine out because with my other Julianne unit, I didn't touch the curls, and it's been holding strong. I still wear that unit, and it's about 2 months old. So if you guys want to see an update on that, make sure you comment down below and let me know. So yes, look at the color, ladies. You're getting highlights of a I would say a 99J, and also an Albany color. Very pretty. I love it. Almost looks like a chocolate brown color, which is very pretty. Yes, so of course this is 24 inches long. I love the length. Now I do have just one kind. Now the hair at the ends are a little bit straggly. Well, I shouldn't say straggly. It's a bit thin, or not thin, but it has a natural density, but it's just not enough hair to me, in my opinion. It's a natural density, as I said. It looks natural. It's not too bad, but I like very full units, and I think that it could be fuller in my opinion, but some people might like this, and I do have all the hair pushed to the front, so this is how much you're getting. So again, a natural density, and this is perfect for the fall, especially for the color. And I really do think you can get away with this in the summer because how lightweight it is, and you know how much hair it is on it. It's not too much in my opinion, but however, it may hit you up. I mean, if you're used to wearing long hair in the summer, this probably won't bother you. Okay, so you do get a lot of colors with this one. Let's go ahead and name them. You get your basic 1B2. You get a 613. You get ginger brown, chocolate swirl, golden honey. You get your honey brown, and red velvet. Now, I did see the red velvet. That was very pretty, but I didn't like that the hair only in the front came as a red velvet color. I didn't like that at all. So yes. So what else can I say? It does come with 2 combs at the side, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also comes with an elastic band. So that elastic band is really good, but it doesn't have like the bra strap adjustable strap to it, so you can't like loosen it and tighten it, but it's very comfortable. This cap is very comfortable. I do have my tabs crisscross, so do that if you want a more snug and tight fit. And it's not like giving me a headache. It's very, very comfortable. Now you do get the wefted hose in the back so you can scratch your hair. And so I think that's good. It's not like a mesh cap or anything. As far as like the hairline and things, it's pre-plucked a little bit. Well, it's not bad at all, actually. It's good. I really do like it. Now, do I think that this unit is worth the price? I think I paid like $65 for it, or maybe like $50 because I had a coupon. I really do. Maybe if they could go down $10 on it, that would be like okay because of the the density on it. But as far as like the luster, it's nice and natural looking. I did add some wig shine to this unit to kind of give it more of a sheen, because with yackier units you will have to add a little bit on it to bring it to life. It's not dull, but over time, with my experience with yucky units, it will get dull. So just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna give you a 360 here. Here's the front, side, back. This definitely is a head turner, showstopper unit. When I wore my other Julianne unit, I did get quite a few compliments on it. So this could be like birthday hair, anniversary hair. It could be on any occasion to me. Like if you trying to like wow them, like I think this is the unit to have. Now as far as like shedding and things, okay, here's 1 strand, 2 strands, but it's not coming out by the tons. Of course, the synthetic is going to shed, so don't be alarmed. But these units that they're coming out with are lasting, like especially like the Julianne wigs. They're really lasting very, very long. And yes, if you want to see the unit brushed out or anything, there are quite a few reviews on the unit as people have brushed it out. So I really do think it's pretty like that, but I like to let the unit do its own thing over time, and maybe once it gets a little bit more older and tatted up, I will kind of brush it out or whatever. But I just love this glam look. It's perfect for, like I said, any occasion. And so you can put this one up to 400 degrees if you would like to. Now I did add some heat in the front here at the top, and I use my wax stick. It takes heat very well, again up to 400 degrees, so be mindful of that. Do not exceed 400 because you probably will fry it out and burn out the unit. Now it's saying that this is a fully hand tied 13 by 6 frontal, 6 deep lace parting, ear to ear transparent lace. The lace was nice and soft, like I said before. You do get the adjustable elastic band, and you do get combs. Now the combs, I like what they're doing with the combs. They're adding like plastic pieces over the combs to kind of, you know, secure the combs. Now ladies, I don't suggest combs. I did use some combs maybe weeks back, and I saw that my hair, it wasn't like balding, but I could see that the hair was coming out a little bit, and I was like, oh no, like I can't put these metal combs in my head. So plastic combs in my opinion are fine, but those metal combs, they kind of pull your hair out. It's heat friendly, all of that hair pre-plucked. It could use a little more pluckness to it, so just be mindful of that. You want to probably go in and pluck it a little bit to your liking to make it look more natural. And this is how you put the wig on in the back of this card, and usually it gives you the care card instructions, how to wash this wig and everything. If you're going to wash this wig, submerge it in the water, and also just kind of swish it, and don't comb it while it's wet. Just kind of let it air dry, and you know, style it after it's dry. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to share with you the things I've used on this unit to lay it down. I used the new Ebin Wonder Lace Bond, and I have the red can and the black can. Now this can, it says Extreme Firm Hold Supreme. Okay, I got 3 big bottles of this. I do swear by this. It's so good. Like, if you want your units to lay down at least 3 days, I think this will work, do the job for you. It's not like Ghost Bond or anything. You can take it off with like water or like, you know, alcohol or whatever, but this is really good, so you may want to invest in this. I love it. Like, it's better than Got to Be Glued to me. I really do love it. So oh, and I want to show you the lace, how it came. This is the lace. So as you can see, it's not too bad. It's a little bit ashy, but not too bad. So again, I did put some of this natural oil-free wig shine on my wig right here, and you can get this from the beauty supply for $2.99. And I love to use this with the extreme hold that I showed you in the black bottle. This is the Forever 4 Ultimate Glue Lace Holding Glue, and it's like Got to Be gel like the black bottle, but it's a little bit like more of a sturdier hold, and I love to use this for my baby hairs. As you can see, my baby hairs are pretty much laid down and they're not going anywhere. So yeah, and I'll leave the links to these down below, everything that I have. And I have this blow dryer. It's from Conair. It's perfect for, like, you know, gluing your wigs down, or, you know, putting them down. And I have this pressing comb I got from Amazon, and I'll leave everything down below. And before I go here, you know, want to keep this box to store your wig back in and protect it, or you can buy a silk bag or whatever and protect your wig like that. But that's pretty much it, ladies. Thank you so very much for watching. I'm sorry about the long review. I had to get it out. So you can expect me a few more times out throughout this month, and I'll be taking a break in January, but I'm glad to be back for this time. And I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.